I'm back, and today I'm going to do a review and build of the Smithsonian Easy Build sr-71 Blackbird. Now this is my all-time favorite plane slash jet slash stealth bomber or something like that. And I've loved this plane slash jet and everything for years, and I've always wanted to see it. And I was just recently at Washington D.C. This is where I got this model kit. And I actually saw the thing in person, and it is huge. If you want to see it somewhere where I have taken a picture, go to my Instagram. I will post a picture there, and that's if I haven't done it already. It's Nicholas_Martinez04, and that should be it. Just come up as a blue Supra, just like my YouTube channel, so yeah. So, of course, this was $15. They had a pre-built kit, but it was $18, so might as well build it myself. It's easy enough. Now, here's the rear. Of course, they have the World War II planes and modern planes. There's World War I, but my favorites out of the bunch, of course, are the sr-71, the Nighthawk, and the B-2 stealth bomber. I am thinking I really want the Blue Angel or the F-22 Raptor. The Raptor is what Starscream was in Transformers: Revenge of the Fallen, just like what's the name? Jetfire was. The old fart, I call him. So let's get this opened up. I have built this before, that's why the packaging may not look as fresh. I just got this 2 years ago, and yeah, I built it already. So here it is. I'm gonna take all the pieces out. Sorry that hurt you guys' ears, but it's gonna get kind of loud. It also does come with instructions, which was very helpful throughout the build. I'm just gonna take all the pieces first. Now that I have all the pieces organized, I'm ready to build. And it did come with a screwdriver, but I will not be using this because it's very uncomfortable. If I can find it, I will be using the screwdriver. It came with my Xbox 360 controller kit, which I think it's made by HDR. I'm not sure, but I'll have to check later. Very good screwdriver, very long, very durable, very good. So this will be a very short video because I'll only go up to 10 minutes, so I should probably start building now. Haha. Okay. So first, you kind of want to show what's in the box. Comes with a stand. Both pieces, I'll put this together later. sr-71 Lockheed, sr-71 Blackbird. Also comes with a pack of screws, which I've already opened up and just kind of looked around, see if they're all in here, and they're all in here. Let's put this bad boy together. So what I did first is just kind of put these thrusters on, and these are adjustable to where you're able to kind of adjust of how tight you want them. I've just kind of loosened these up just a little bit, and just kind of slide them in the top like this. Make sure it goes towards the post. Slide in, you're good to go. On this side, slide in, you're good to go. Then what I did next is put these tail fins in, and these are very difficult to put in because you kind of need to force them in there, but I kind of like loosened them up, kind of sand them down a little bit, and that did help a lot, along with this side as well. Make sure the logos go facing out. There. Starting to look good already. Now what I did next is just kind of pop on the canopy, and this does look a little yellow, probably because it's been facing towards the sun for a long time, but it's fine. But on the actual jet slash plane, whatever it is blacked out. As you can see on the collector's card it came with, which gave me a lot of information. I had no idea it was built in the 60s. I thought it was built in like mid 80s or early 90s, but you can see on here it's all blacked out. But they really can't paint like that, so it's left like this. And then when I did, put this towards the side, I grabbed my landing gear. This is the front one that spins, so leave that on for later. And these two rear ones face inward, I believe. I think it's face inward. Yeah, this black part, little nub, goes on the plastic. So it faces like this. So you want to kind of bend these in at an angle. I did make a mistake of not putting this in first, so I had to take the whole thing apart again. You can see little black part right here goes inward, so kind of folds in like that. Do the same, but for this side, and you're good with the rear. And then what you want to do is grab a couple screws. I'm just gonna dump them all out. Sorry if you guys don't like it when people dump screws out, but it works for me the best. You just want to get your base plate along with the landing gear part. Put the landing gear on the base plate. And put 2 screws in there and tighten it down. I believe this is one of the first videos to be on YouTube of this because I just searched while I was on the bus for 8 hours and just kind of looked it up, but I couldn't see any videos on this, so this may be the very first video on the sr-71 Blackbird. At least the model kit, because there are a bunch of videos on the actual real thing. In the movie Transformers: Revenge of the Fallen, he was a Decepticon. Jetfire, I believe that's what his name. I keep forgetting his name. Sorry about that. And the same for this little square nub. Excuse my hands. I had a lot of skin peeling because it's winter. Not really winter, but you can see a little square piece right here. Goes towards on the plastic. So what you want to do is put it in sideways. Twist. Let me do that again. Let me focus the camera. Put it on sideways, twist, and just kind of push in until you hear a click almost. Then it just sits in there. Like that. Nice like that. Make sure the little nub is, little suspension piece is sticking out. Then what I did, just flip the plane upside down. Just the camera, because I did get a new tripod, so yay. No more of that stick-bot stuff. Just put these guys in there. Get this base plate. Ooh, excuse me, card. Get the base plate. Puts it on. And squeeze tightly. And then what you want to do is just kind of put the screws in the holes and just wish for the best of luck that they don't cross thread. I have a feeling these guys will cross thread one day. my phone freaked out. So let me just go back to the stand. Just plug it in and push up. And you can use KineMaster for this. I do not have the patience. Make sure it's in all the way, and it is. You can see it is made by New Ray, just like some of my models. And it's pretty cheap plastic, and a lot of flashing. And then once you're done, you just pop it in to the top. This little square right here. Pop it until you hear a click. There we go. And you're basically done with your build. Just sitting up here. I don't know why I have this. Just you're basically done with your build, and this does look really nice. I love the way it's not too heavy, not too light. Easy to build, a lot of fun, and very nice looking model. And of course, I need to get my card and just kind of lay it next to it. And there you go. Very good looking model in my opinion. I totally recommend. And yeah, I will be collecting more, hopefully. So that's basically it for the video. If you did like it, give it a thumbs up, and if you didn't, give it a dislike, and tell me why I didn't like it in the comment section below. Because most of you guys don't even comment like on my videos. You watch them, I say comment, and you guys don't do it. And I just really want to know what you guys think of my videos on my channel. So if you can, just make a YouTube account, and you're able to subscribe to people and just like my videos and just like and comment. So yeah, go check out my Instagram. Both Instagram accounts. I have a car posting account. It's called Datsun_Fatsun, and it's just a